Yeah.
She's in 5-inch heels.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, the best bit was watching Heat shake a little leg on the side. Bringing some flavor.
Great.
So, girls, you did a great job. Thanks very much for entertaining us tonight and for being such great models for Heat to showcase her work and for the team to showcase their work. We really appreciate it. And it was awesome. You did a great job. And for all those people that have never been to a presentation before, and certainly to your family Heat, this is really all about you and for your family and your friends to see exactly what you've achieved. And it's a celebration of 2.5 years, I believe now, of hard work, focus, commitment. And to talk a little bit about each, she started with our school. It was in our first class. And there was plenty along the way, and some fell away. As happens with the journey, as we all know, not everybody makes it. Only a select few tend to stick it out because it is hard. And it is a big commitment. And that's why we're all here, to celebrate the fact that you have, gone through the entire training program. You became a stylist here, and now you can put down your scissors and stop going to advanced class. Officially made it. Now the goal is to make money and give the house back. Absolutely fine. But, Heach is a really, we all know Heach to be a really wonderful woman. She definitely is a woman. She's a smart, bright, people person that really brings a lot of niceness and quality to our salon, to our studio, and to our team. She's a positive influence on the salon floor, everywhere she goes. And she's also a lot of fun when she gets given the chance. So I think that you've got all the skills and the talent to really make a very, very successful career. I'm actually thrilled to have you on the team. I think you did a great job. It's been a real joy watching you blossom and, having you in my life and certainly in my wife's life and also in all of our team. I think you're a very valuable member, and I'm looking forward to watching you continue to prosper. And I can't wait for the next party because now I'm actually got the moves, baby. It's not about a cheap thing, baby.